Hey everyone, this is Arun, and in this video, I'm discussing the solution of this question. A retail store in Des Moines receives shipments of the particular product from Kansas City and Minneapolis. So we have a variable X, which is number of units of the product received from Kansas City, and a variable Y, which is the number of units of the product received from Minneapolis. Now here, this question is divided into 5 parts, and we have part A, B, C, D, and E respectively. Now for part A, write an expression for the total number of units of the product received by retail store in Des Moines. So I have solved this question and this part as well. Let me go back to the solution. So for part A, total units received equals to X plus Y, which is total units of the products received by retail store in Des Moines. Then shipment from Kansas City costs $20 per unit, and the shipments from Minneapolis cost 0.25 per unit. Develop an objective function representing the total cost of shipments to Des Moines. So our total cost is 0.20x plus 0.25y. So this is the solution for part B. Now this one, then we have another part C, assuming the monthly demand at the retail store 5,000 units. Develop a constraint that requires 5,000 units to be shipped in Des Moines. So we need to develop a constraint that requires 5,000 units to be shipped to Des Moines. So now which is this is one is a part C, which is X plus Y equals to 5,000. So both variables satisfies this part C solution. Then we have part D, no more than 4,000 units can be shipped from Kansas City and no more than 3,000 units can be shipped from Minneapolis in month. So we need to develop constraints to this model situation. So for this one is our part D, where X is less than 4,000, which is the Kansas City constraint, and Y is less than or equals to 3,000, which is the Minneapolis constraint. So both of them are the constraints for part D solution. Then we have the part E, which is of course a negative amount cannot be shipped. Combine the objective function and constants developed to state a mathematical model to satisfy the demand at the Des Moines store, retail store at the minimum cost. So we need to satisfy the demand at the minimum cost. So here, this one is our full solution for part A. We have minimum 0.20x plus 0.25y, and then we have these constraints. X plus y equals to 5,000, then x is less than or equals to 4,000, then y is less than or equals to 4,000, where both x and y is greater than 0. So this one is the satisfying demand for Des Moines retail. So this one is our mathematical model for part E, this whole. So this one is the complete solution for question number 10 of chapter 1, Introduction to Management Science. So I hope you like this solution, and do subscribe me for future updates. And if you need any help, or if you are stuck in any question, or you require any assignments to be solved by me, you can definitely reach me out. And of course, if you are having an examination from this textbook, you can definitely reach me out for that one as well. I have lots of candidates who are approaching me for their examination help, and I have solved many questions for them, and I've passed with a good number of marks. So I hope you like this video, and have a great day. Take care, and I will be sharing my contact details in the description part of this video. my WhatsApp number and my email address. So let me know if you have any query. So thanks and have a great day. Take care. Bye.